Have you ever wondered how some people are able to spot meme coins that gives them 10x to 100x while others only get to realize these coins when they have already exploded? Well, that is why you are here, because I'm about to spill the secret to how some people are able to get in early to most of these meme coins that do explode. Meme coin move very fast. A coin can move from nothing to 5x to 10x and even 100x in a matter of days. But most people miss it because by the time they see it, it's already trending everywhere. And the truth is simple. In meme coin trading, speed and access matters. If your exchange lists a coin late, you're already behind. So this is why the platform you trade matters a lot. This is why many traders use Gate. Gate has been around since the year 2013, and so far they have listed over 1,700 cryptocurrencies. And the best part is that they list new cryptocurrencies very frequently. Coins like Pepe and Core were available for trading on Gate very early, while some platforms listed them much later. That early access can make a big difference. Let me even cite some examples. Core was launched in January 2023, and in 2 days it was listed on Gate, while Pepe was launched in April 2023, and in 5 days it was listed on Gate for trading. And PI Network was listed for trading on Gate the first day of open mainnet. So when it comes to meme coin trading, being very early is very important, and choosing platform that lists tokens quickly gives you an advantage. But getting in early is not just about listing. Gate also have a discovery tool called Gate Alpha. So Gate Alpha shows new tokens, project details, community activities, and upcoming launches. So instead of guessing, you can actually see what is gaining attention early. Gate also makes trading of these meme coins very simple. You can swap meme coins easily with automatic fee calculation, customizable slippage, and fast execution. This helps you act quickly anytime opportunity shows up. Gate supports the meme coin community with airdrops, trading competitions, and launch events. So they have been running this campaign for several meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and lots of other meme coins. So traders can also earn reward while participating. Meme coin trading is about speed, early discovery, and being at the right place at the right time. So when it comes to meme coin trading, Gate should be the first platform that comes to mind, because Gate offers early listing, discovery tools like Gate Alpha, Web3 trading access, and meme coin campaigns. So for traders who are interested in meme coins, Gate is the most active platform to explore them. If you want to start spotting meme coins before they go viral, check out Gate and explore what is trending right now. And don't forget to use my link to enjoy new users rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And finally, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so you can use to join our Telegram channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.